Okay, so let's look at a few of these so you can work through them again. This one right here, how many votes are needed to achieve a majority? So if we look at our number of voters up at the top and add them up, 60 plus 40 is 100, plus 20, and sorry that's popping up, kind of annoying. 120 total voters there. Oh, gee whiz. Okay, now 120, I'm just going to go to a blank sheet. So a majority is always one more than 50% or rounded up from 50%. So all we have to do to get 50% is divide our total by 2. That gives 60 voters. We want more than 50% though, so we add 1. 61 is the majority. Now if that had been, let's say it had been 121 and we had divided by 2, we would have gotten 60.5. In that case, anytime we get a decimal, we just round it up no matter what the decimal is. So we'd still get 61 as the majority. So it's the next whole number from what we get. So if you'll think of it that way, it's the next whole number up from what we get when we divide by 2. That gives us the majority. Now, let's pop back to one of these others that you are having trouble with. You don't want to do that's not it. Where's it gone to? No? Okay, so you're having trouble figuring out what to put in these board accounts. All right, so let's notice that the candidate over here on the left is D. So we want to put D's first place votes right here, the number of points he gets for his first place votes. So if we look across at first place, here's D. 30 people voted for D. Now, if we think about the points in the board account, since there's 4 places, first place gets 4, second place gets 3, 2, and 1. So 4 points for 30 people. We'll just take 30 times 4. That's 120. So going back, and I don't know why, we would put 120 right there in that first box. And of course, as instructor, I can look over and check that that's true. Now, for second place vote, we'll go here. We'll go across the second place and find D. It's right here. There's 17 people who voted for D in second place. That is 3 points. 4, 3, 2, 1. So we want to take 3 times 17. Going back over here to my page. 17 times 3, I believe, is going to give me 51. And if I go back, 51 will be what goes into this box. And again, of course, we can check that's true here. All right, now third place votes for D. I'll go across the third place line and I'll find, there's these 18. All right, there's 18 people. Third place gets 2 points. Remember, 4, 3, 2, 1. So third place gets 2 points. So 18 people getting 2 points. 18 times 2 is 36. And I'll be putting 36 into the third place box. All right. Then fourth place. Well, if I look at the fourth place, D is here several times for fourth place. There's 15 here. There's 10 here, so that's 25. And there's 2 here, that's 27. 27 fourth place votes, and fourth place is 1 point. So really, that's just 27. And I'll put 27 right here. Now, the last box, I'll just take what I got here, which I believe was 120, and actually we can do it over here where I had that sheet. The last one was 27 times 1, or just 27. And we can add up 120 and 51 and 36 and 27. And when we add all those up, that's what's going to go in that last box for total. Now, for all the rest of the boxes, we're going to do the same thing we did for D. So for A, you will go through first and find its first place votes. So notice A has 15 here and 18 here. So 33 first place votes. Multiply it times 4 points. And then go through the second row. That'll be for what goes there. Find, there's just 2. 2 times 3, there'll just be 6 points in this box. And then go through and find its third place votes. There'll be 10. Multiply that by the 2 points for third place. Remember, number these 4, 3, 2, 1. And if we multiply 10 times 2 points, that'll end up being 20 in this box. And then finally, for the fourth place, 30 here, 17 here, 47 votes times 1 point over here will make it 47, and we put that there, and then we'd add up all of these numbers. So hopefully that will help you get through your board account there. And I think that's the same problem you had in this one and in this one. Looks like you got the first place votes here. Let me see if I can tell what you might have been doing for second place, D. Oh, I think you just multiplied these 7 and didn't pick up these 2 over here. So 7 and 2 would have been 9. And actually, it's going to be 9 times 3, 2, 1. So 9 times 2. Remember, you've always got to think of, and you might write this down on your paper and put your 3 points, 2 points, 1 point, so you kind of pay attention to what points you're giving it. All right, let's see if there's anything else I need to answer for you there. I think that's all the same board account problems. And if you need to meet in person to do a couple of these, let me know and we'll work on them together.